Hey, hello guys. How are you? Welcome to SIWIHA TV, fun time. So, in this video we are going to make you happy and want smile on your face. You will watch a funny conversation between a farmer and interviewer. So, let's start video. Hope you will entertain. See you soon.
Hello, Bob. Hello, Chris. I want to ask you few questions. Yes, of course. What do you want to ask? Okay, tell me how much milk do your cows give? Well, I have two cows, the black one and the brown one. Which one you are asking for? Okay, tell me about brown one. A couple of liters every day. And the black one? A couple of liters every day. Oh, I see. What do you give them to eat? Which one? Black or brown? Brown. It eats grass. And the other one? Grass. Why you always ask which one, when the answers are same? Because, the black one's is mine. Oh, okay, and the brown one? It's also mine.
Hey, welcome back guys. It was very funny conversation. I hope you like it. See you in our next video. Goodbye. And don't forget to like, share video, and subscribe to our channel.